how did you decide that this was a good place to chill, dude? I know it's upsetting. It's frustrating. Didn't you just figure out the muck? What took you so long? Now you're going to my foot. Hi. You're mad, aren't you? I'm not going to stick my hand in front of you. You little woodpecker. There you go. Let me get some schwitz. Dude, that's not a bright bird. There you go. There you go. What are you doing? I don't have any worms for you. Are you gonna peck me? Don't peck my seedlings, please. No, 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 that's water. That's water. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, bye. Where'd you go? There you are.